Mobile proxies. The secret of those who never get banned. Mobile proxies are used by less than 3% of people in this niche, and they're usually the ones who never get banned. Here's why. Platforms like Instagram, Amazon, TikTok, and Google don't just check your IP address anymore. They analyze your entire digital fingerprint, and most people have no idea how exposed they really are. So what do professionals actually use? 5G mobile proxies. A mobile proxy is a real phone connected to the internet through a real SIM card from a real mobile carrier. To a website, your traffic looks exactly like a normal user browsing from their phone in a real location like New York or Berlin. And with 5G speed, you can rotate your IP automatically or on demand, choose from multiple countries with large IP pools, and even mask your OS fingerprint for extra protection. If you want real 5G mobile proxies, check out ProxyWing. They offer mobile proxies across 15 countries, flexible IP rotation, deep IP pools, and support for UDP and OVPN connections. And if you use the promo code YT10, you'll get 10% off your first order. If you're working with accounts, ads, or scraping, mobile proxies are what the top few percent are already using, while everyone else keeps getting banned.